Hello traders, in this video we are looking at the RSI Multi Length Indicator for MT4 and MT5. This tool analyzes multiple RSI lengths at the same time, giving you a multi-dimensional view of momentum instead of relying on a single RSI period. At this point I'll load the indicator on the charts so you can see how it looks in real time. But allow the level imports, and there we have it. The RSI multi-length indicator typically displays several RSI values calculated over different period lengths, either as multiple lines in one RSI window, a composite line, or a heat map/table style view. When short, medium, and long-term RSI readings are all above 50, it visually implies a strong bullish momentum backdrop, while all readings below 50 imply a strong bearish backdrop. Situations where shorter length RSI readings show overbought or oversold conditions, while longer lengths remain neutral or trending, can highlight temporary pullbacks within a larger move. When all RSI values cluster around the 50 level, it often suggests consolidation, while a sudden spread away from 50 in the same direction can imply an emerging breakout. As for the indicator settings, let's take a look at the inputs. Core settings include the list of RSI lengths to calculate, such as combining shorts, e.g. 5 or 10, medium, 14 or 21, and longer, 50 periods in one framework. You can choose how these values are presented: overlaid lines, a composite index, or a table/heat map, depending on your platform and visual preference. Thresholds for overbought, oversold, and mid-zone levels can be customized so you can highlight the zones that matter most to your strategy. So who is it for and what are its limitations? The RSI multi-length indicator is suited to traders who want a deeper read of momentum, from intraday traders to longer-term swing traders, and who like to confirm signals across multiple time horizons. This is an analytical tool only and does not execute trades. Interpretation can become complex, and the longer RSI lengths will naturally respond more slowly, which can delay recognition of sharp moves. As with any oscillator-based tool, it works best when combined with structure, support and resistance, and risk management rather than used on its own. The download link is in the description below. You can read the full breakdown of the RSI multi-length indicator, its construction, applications, benefits, and limitations at the Forex Geek. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss future educational videos.